Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix if your add friend option is disabled on Facebook. So you can see now I don't have this add friend option here on my Facebook account. So if I go back and go for my profile, okay, now go for settings, scroll down, click on how people find and contact you. Click on this who can send you friend request. You have to click on this arrow. Now you have to make it everyone. Now refresh it and go for your Facebook. Again, go for your profile, and if I go for view as, and you can see I have this add friend option here. So this is how you can fix your add friend option on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.